I'm on the hunt for toads. Toad. How do you call toads? Toads. Gosh darn it. Just want to find a toad. Toad. Oh, toads. They've surrounded me. I'm determined I'm going to find a toad. Hello, good morning. You are not a toad. I am looking for a toad. Have you seen any toads out here? You haven't seen any toads in your travels. Well, how's it going otherwise? You got bugs? I got bugs. You gotta get a bug jacket like mine. It's very nice. Well, it's not... Okay. We'll see you later. It's the things you do when you live out in the woods. This is a promising sign. I found a toadstool. Ah! There. Hello, Mr. Frog. Do you see any toads? You're nice and all. But I'm looking for toads. Okay, well, if you see any, let me know. Excuse me, fine slugs. Have either of you seen a toad? Hello, little snake. By the looks of your belly, you haven't seen any toads either. Okay, well, if you happen to see any toads, then if you could not eat them, just let me know. And then, yeah, we could like come up with a compromise or something, After many days of searching and asking throughout the forest, finally today, days after my search began, I am rewarded with my find of a wonderful toad. I've been looking everywhere for you. It is so nice to find you. You have some awfully beautiful markings. Wonderful to see you. Take care. Have a good day. Yeah. Found my toad. It's a good day.